Hi there, I'm Faraha from the Library Student Team here at the University of Manchester, and here are my top 5 tips on how to start your revision. Tip 1. Start as early as possible. It can be really difficult starting your revision, especially as your exams get closer, and it can be easy to put off revision until the very last minute. But to get the best results and to help reduce stress, starting as early as possible is the way to go. Tip 2. Make a plan. Making a plan is always a good place to start when trying to complete something difficult. To start your revision, give yourself a small goal at first, something that's realistic that you can definitely achieve in a few hours or a day, for example, 1 page from your textbook. If you give yourself a goal that's too difficult to accomplish, it can be disappointing and make it harder for you to keep revising and stay motivated. Tip 3. Start with the topic you're familiar with. Starting your revision can be intimidating, especially when there are topics you dislike or find difficult. A good way to overcome this fear is by starting with a subject or topic you enjoy or that you're already familiar with. By doing this, you'll be able to make a start on your revision and then build up to working on the more challenging topics. Remember, no topic is unbeatable. Tip 4. Tell someone what you'll be doing. Telling a trusted adult, sibling or friend what it is that you'll be studying can help you stay accountable and have more ownership over your revision. You can also ask someone to check in after certain points with you, for example each hour, to see how you're getting on and to help you stay focused on your task. Tip 5. Use a timer app. Using a timer app to measure your studying can help record your progress and make you feel rewarded for the time you spent revising. Some apps have timers you can set. For example, they'll have an alarm that goes off every 30 minutes to remind you to take a break. Some apps also have study streams that are live where you can study at the same time as others, and these ones are my favourite. Good luck with your exams.